Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Virgo placements. This is your general and love reading bago mag-end ang March. So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, and sa ating mga items, yeah, just message me. Okay, ganun rin po ha, pagdating kay Perception of Light and kay Kuya Dingsi. Si Kuya Dingsi is a healer. Okay? So, yes. And again, don't forget to subscribe and follow yung akin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below. Opo, pakitingin na lang. Paki-check na lang if you're interested. Okay. So, Virgo placements. What's for you? In general. Anong meron bago mag-end ang March? Para sa mga Virgo placements. Let's see. Ano to? O, diba? Hindi talaga ako familiar pa sa card na to. This is Six of Swords in reversed. The Six of Swords in reversed and the Ace of Wands in reversed. Okay, so it's a delay, postponed. Ay, nung narinig ko, postponed. Travel. Or pwedeng may magre-reject sa isang offer about or regarding travel. What's with this Ace of Wands in reverse? Ano tong opportunity na to? Let's see. What's with this Ace of Wands in reversed? The Tower in reversed. Oh, sabihin natin unexpected. That is why you're not ready maybe. Okay? Yeah, you're not ready. It's like, oh, talaga. Kasama mo ko, naku, hindi ako ready, hindi ako prepared. Like that. Okay? Umakting pa, no? No. So, what else for you, Virgo? Let's see. This is something like unexpected na pwedeng hindi mo kukunin. Mas maganda kunin mo to. Yes. There's this unexpected na offer coming in bago mag-end ang March. Yeah. So, what else for you, Virgo? The World in reversed. What? Bakit lahat reversed? How are you, Virgo? World in reversed. And strength. Gain. May naririnig ako, gain. Somebody is held back or holding back. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Holding back, communicating, maybe. Holding back na mag-reach out. A past person. Could be a Leo or fixed sign. Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, and Aqua. The Hanged Man in reversed. Will they reach out? Let's see, kung sino man to. Ano tong the World in reverse? Anong meron dito? Para makita natin ano bang meron. Oh, the Player. The Knight of Wands in reversed. The Player. Or maybe there's this player returning. This is general, no? May chance na, yes, ayoko pa kasing ipunta sa love or sa connection. Pag nakita ko tong Knight of Wands, something na parang hindi nangyari or hindi nagkaroon ng magandang result before. Okay? I don't know kung anong pwede na mangyari ngayon. Yeah, there's this Two of Wands. May chance siguro kung ano man to na nangyari before na hindi natuloy-tuloy. In general po, pwedeng mag-resurface bago mag-end ang March. And nandyan pa rin yung parang, okay, hindi ko pa rin ito kaya or hindi ko pa rin ito pwedeng gawin or yeah, hindi ko pa pwedeng i-execute like that. Parang ganun. Okay? I'm getting the energy of pregnancy for some of you. Unexpected pregnancy. Be careful. Unexpected. If you're not ready, then alam mo na. Alam mo na. Okay, so what else for you, Virgo? Virgo placements. The Magician. May narinig ako testing the waters. No? Testing the waters. Let's see. The Emperor in reverse. Yeah. Somebody na pwedeng sabihin natin some of you are under evaluation. No? Pagdating sa workplace, parang ganyan eh. Parang tinitingnan ka, ni-evaluate kung anong meron, kung paano ka, whatsoever. So, yes, the Moon, the Ten of Wands in reverse. Yeah, meron ditong opportunity na sabihin natin na magkaroon ng upgrade or leveling up pagdating sa work. Okay, in general, or maybe career. Parang ganyan. So, merong iiwan ng position and then merong bibigay na bago. Something like that. Okay? Ano to? Seven of Wands. Yeah. And I'm seeing some of you, tatanggapin mo to. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Swords. May pirmahan ako nakikita rito. Contract signing, or new contract, promotion for some of you. Mga ganun. Okay? This is nice though. Yeah, claim it. Leveling up. Stepping up, maybe. Status is going up. Parang ganyan. So, there. So, next. Ano naman ang meron pagdating sa love for you Virgos? What's for you? Virgo placements. Okay. Virgo. When it comes to love, anong meron? Anong paparating for you Virgos? Anong meron Virgos? Bago mag-end ang March. Page of Pentacles. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Pwedeng may new connection na mangyari, pero hindi ito like magtatagal. I'm so sorry. Yes. Kasi ito ang nakuha ko dito, Virgo. Some of you, you're focusing sa tingin mong mas importante. So, siguro, you're not, like, sabihin nating open talaga pagdating sa connection. Yeah, the Page of Cups is here. So, yeah, there's these two, I think. Two energy na pwedeng magkaroon ng interest sa'yo. Pero, I don't know kung ikaw itong makikipag-connect sa kanila or not. Parang ganyan. Why the Ace of Pentacles in reverse? Meron na naman akong nakikita ritong makakaramdam ng parang tawag dyan, panghihinayang. Why the Ace of Pentacles in reverse? The Star. See? In reverse, panghihinayang. The Queen of Swords. You're cutting off people. I don't know kung sila itong gusto lang talagang mag-reach out or mag-approach sa'yo, pero parang hindi ka ka-approach. Ha? Oh, yeah. See the Sun in the reverse. You're like, nakaka-overwhelmed or nakaka-intimidate, like that. So, there's these two, I think, na parang interested pagdating sa'yo. I don't know if gagawa sila ng way to approach or to talk. Pero parang natatakot sila. Some of them, they're younger. Yeah. What else when it comes to love for you, Virgo placements? Meron ditong mag-reach out. Somebody nakakilala mo na. Okay, may nangyaring miss opportunity or miss opportunity sa inyo before. Ayaw niya na totally mag-end na lang ito sa wala. Okay, so somebody will reach you out. I'm sorry, nabubulol ako. Oo, so what else for Virgo? The Two of Swords in reversed. A decision. What's with a decision? The Four of Cups in reversed. So, meron ditong gagawing decision to avoid yung sabihin nating regrets or disappointments, if ever. What's with that? About family issue maybe, or family, long-term connection. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands. Somebody will make a move. Yeah, I don't know. May chance dito na pwedeng may pipiliin. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. May pipiliin dito. The Knight of Wands. Yeah. Meron ditong sasagutin. Or meron kang sasagutin bago mag-end ang March. Meron din ditong aalisin. I don't know if this is talking about third parties involvement. Yeah. May aalisan, may lalayuan, may pipiliin. Yes. And may nakukuha kong energy na merong mga maghahabol. I don't know who's who. So what else for you, Virgo? Virgo. In love. Okay, the Eight of Wands. Communication. Fire sign. The Four of Pentacles. What? Somebody wanting na magkaroon ng communication with you, pero they're like held back. Some of you, meron kayong matatanggap na mensahe mula sa sabihin nating tao na nagkaroon kayo ng connection, pero ikaw itong hindi mo agad-agad re-replyan. Yeah, maybe you know this person as a cheater or a player. What's with the Four of Pentacles? Bakit kailangan mag-hold back? Yung hindi agad-agad mag-reply. Why? Nakakatakot. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Two of Cups. Nako. If ever there's this cheater, a time waster, no, na magbabalik bago mag-end ang March to offer you reconnection. Okay? Pero kung ikaw itong may doubt pagdating sa'yo, then hindi mo naman sabihin nating kailangan magmadali, no, na mag-decision about that. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Ikaw itong mapapadesisyon, ikaw itong mapapaisip. Okay? Meron din ditong energy na gusto kang makakonect. Anong meron dito sa taong to? This is like mutual feelings. You have mutual feelings, mutual understanding. Who is this? The King of Pentacles. Somebody who is stable, maybe. Or maybe you see them na meron kayong potential na mag-work out. Okay? Yeah. Somebody na pwedeng napaka-busy. Some of you, your boss has, into you. Oo, diba? Has something pagdating sa iyo. Oo. Anyway, nako po. Alam nyo na ha, hindi nawawala tong Knight of Wands, oh. Be careful. Okay? Be careful na, accepting offer. Kung alam nyo naman na hindi dapat i-accept. Okay? We're talking about love here. Okay? We're talking about connections here. Okay? So, yes. So, tayo tumungo sa ano ba? The person on your mind, Virgo. Okay, let's see the person on Virgo's mind. Who is this person, Virgo? The person on Virgo's mind. Who are they? Who are they? Virgo. The Justice. Could be a Libra. Okay. Some of you have this legal background with this person. The Two of Swords in reversed. Look, parang magkapareho sila, no? They have swords, diba? Sa typical yeah, the usual Justice card is way scale yung nandun, not swords. So I think meron kayong legal background nitong taong legal issue, I guess. Yeah, na kailangan i-fix. Some of you, itong taong ito is kailangan niyang mag-choose between you and another person. Oops, tit! Yes daw. So, yun na yun. Stop na ako doon. Yun na yun. Yeah. So, some of you, you're like, am I wasting my time here? Yan, mga ganyan. Nangihinayang na yung iba. Queen of Wands. There's involved. Anong meron sa situation? Itong taong to, kailangan niya mag-decide. Kailangan niya pumili. Let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon, Virgo? Could be Libra and air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay. Energy of 3. The 3 of Wands in reversed. And the Sun in reversed. Oh! Mga sitwasyon na parang hindi mo na makita talaga ano pa ba ang meron. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Wala akong nakikita ditong kaliwanagan. Yes. Sorry, Virgo. Pero wala akong nakikita ditong kalinawan na pwede mong makuha from this person or from this situation you're in. Wait, inom lang ako ng kape. Magkape tayo. Temperance. Somebody is waiting hanggang sa dumadating na sa puntong nag-iisip na may hinihintay pa ba ako? May na-expect pa ba ako dito? I don't know. Parang wala na nga. Yeah. I think yung person mo, sabihin nating confused din, no? Pwedeng hindi rin niya kayang mag-decide which is which. O, diba? Okay. So, let's see. What is their emotion right now for you, Virgo? Their emotion. We have here Leo. Emotion niya for you right now. The Knight of Swords in reverse. Inconsistent. In and out. Why? The Lovers. Hindi alam ng taong to kung ano talaga ang gusto. Okay? Some of them talaga may ka-connect na iba. Yeah. The King of Cups. The Queen of Cups. They want playtime. I think. They want playtime. Yeah. The Ten of Swords. This is like backstabbing. Painful. Past. Whatsoever. Traumatizing. Kung ano man. Okay? They're not into this. Like, in this sila totally invested here. I'm sorry. Gulong-gulo rin itong taong to. Sa totoo lang, Virgo. Gulong-gulo. Hindi niya alam kung anong gusto niya. Iba rito naririnig ko. Ang sinasabi ay, Madam, para siyang nagayuma. Tingin ko nagayuma siya eh. Kaya parang hindi niya alam kung bakit. Para siya nakokontrol ng tao. Para siya nakokontrol nung third party. Yeah. Hindi malayo. Okay? Some of you. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. Somebody is in need. In general, craving, wanting. So, kung kayo yon Virgo. Okay, kung kayo yon. So, quiet na lang sa mga hindi, ha? Kung kayo itong still craving for this, wanting, being needy, dito sa mga gusto mong mangyari, na action nitong taong to, na hindi naman ginagawa, well, hindi talaga ito pipili. Yes. Bakit? Kasi they see you as somebody na pwedeng napaka-weak. Yeah. Alam ng taong to na okay, kahit meron akong kakonect, anytime na gusto kong konekan ka, well, okay lang. Kung gusto kitang alisan, okay lang din. I don't need to choose. Yes, mas pinapadali mo yung kanyang sitwasyon kung ganyan ka. Mas pinapadali mo. Yeah, hindi mo kasi siya binibigyan ng tension. Hindi mo binibigyan ng kung ano man. No, you're like, okay, I'm fine with this. That's BS. Okay? So, what's their next action towards you, Virgo? Yeah, the Page of Cups. They will give you just what? Breadcrumb. Breadcrumb. Not the whole bread. Yeah. The Page of Cups in reversed. Temperance. Hindi siya fair. Hindi siya magiging fair sa'yo. Okay? Bakit? Kasi wala ka nito. Wala ka nitong Queen of Swords and Strength. Hindi niya nakikita sa'yo na pwede mo siyang i-cut off anytime you want. Yeah. Again, the Five of Pentacles. Ito yung tingin niya sa'yo. That is why they see you as weak. I'm sorry. Pero yun yung tingin niya sa'yo. Kaya ganyan. Hindi ko para mag-ano dito. Hindi ako para mamili, whatsoever. Yes. Kaya kong magstay sa mga tao na gusto ko. Ganun yung person. Paghihintayin ko lang to ng paghihintayin. Kasi kita ko naman, kaya niya maghintay. At naghihintay siya para sa akin. Parang ganon. Diba nakakainis? What's the potential outcome? The Hierophant. What's with that Hierophant? The Six of Pentacles. So they will give you connection, but one-sided. One-sided. Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Not good. Not good. The Nine of Wands, trust issues. Yeah. This is so toxic. Unhealthy. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita. So, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay. Okay? You know what to do. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for Virgo, Aries through Pisces. The the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Aries, they're juggler. Taurus. No changes. Yeah, wala akong pagbabago dyan. Gemini, they want to commit. Cancer, they're upset. They're, yeah, dismayado. Dismaya. Oo, nadidismaya siya. Andyan din yung energy about panghihinayang, like that. Leo, being silent. They want to know things. They have many questions. Virgo, fluctuating energies, in and out, unstable, a player energy. Libra, hard-headed, stubborn. Scorpio, they need you. Really, they need you. Sagittarius, this is, yeah, jealousy. Self-centered. Capricorn, they want to know you more. There's this energy of longing. Sadness is here. Aquarius, a missed opportunity. Somebody is feeling a missed opportunity with you, or maybe you are feeling this missed opportunity. Okay. Pisces, they want to break the silence. I mean, it's like ending of no contact, ending of a no contact situation. May chance na pwedeng may mag-reach out na Pisces sa'yo, or pwedeng ikaw, Virgo, mag-reach out dito. So there. Yeah. Again, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. So, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yeah, yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Don't forget, nasa description box below yung akin pong link. Thank you. Bye.